sweethearts, can we more focus on the small things that make us happy? My kids used to go out to play every day. Often I used to accompany them. The elder one, who is 8 years, plays football, and the younger one, who is 5, do cycling. One day while I was speaking to somebody over the phone, the younger one came running and said, "Acha, acha, I got a slap from those boys." Like every father, I got upset and somehow managed to catch those sweet little boys who seemed to be older than my son and asked the reason for slapping. They were quite arrogant and keep on telling me that they didn't slap. Few other kids who joined the show were saying, "These boys are telling lies." After short dialogues, they ran out quickly and occupied the flat. I was not much worried about the slap, but I was continuously thinking about what made these boys do, how the kids can behave such rudely, and where do they get so much courage? I decided to get into deep. I did a bit of research on the family and understood that the father is a troublemaker, always comes home fully drunk, and often fights with the mother. Almost every day, these boys were witnessing the heated arguments, the abuses, the disrespect, belittling each other. Greater than that, they observed each other's egos melting out. Oh my God, I thought for a while, I do argue with my wife. I realized the dad and mom failed to be an example of love, respect, and relationships. These sweet little boys were not emotionally connected. They were not cared enough, loved enough. Their entry was completely restricted to the beauty of life. They only experienced the best cycles, best toys, best shoes. On the way back home, I shouted at my kids and strictly warned them not to play with those boys nor engage in any kind of conversation. I reminded them, if I again see such incidents, I will not allow them to play. After some time, my mind was wandering. Did I advise my kids wrongly? Did I handle the situations correctly? Can you imagine if you were in my place, what kind of action would you take? Will you allow your kids to play with them again? We have got a good number of movies which can create an impact on each of our lives. And such movies, I would say, we should watch at least once in a while. I have seen a few keep a separate folder for such movies. Such a movie was Tare Zameen Pe. I am sure all of you have watched this movie. This film was released 14 years ago and each of us still remembers the story. That's the kind of impact this movie has created. Darshil Safari, who is the hero, plays the role of an 8-year-old Ishan Avasthi in this movie. His poor academic performance leads his parents to send him to a boarding school. Amir Khan plays the role of a teacher, Nigumb, who suspects that he is dyslexic and helps him to overcome his disability. Ishan's parents and teachers misunderstood him and his potentials, and they continuously blamed him. After all that needed was care, support, guidance, love, and encouragement. Folks, there are more Ishan Avasthi and very few Nigums in our society. We all cannot become a guru or mentor, but can we become a kind of guide, a light to all those lovely young aspirants? I am extremely grateful to all those guiding lights here. Well, certainly love to hear about small changes you have made which have made a difference. Once John Wilmot said, "Before I got married, I had 6 theories about raising children. Now I have 6 children and no theories." Sadhguru beautifully expressed it when someone asked about parenting. When a child was an infant, you do moo 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 moo. You used to twist it and turn it and play whichever way you want. You speak in the language and do all fun. Now he grows big as a teenager. What that means is he's trying to be his own. He wants to be a man, but you still want to do moo 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 to him. You crawl with him when he was 2-3 years old. He also enjoyed, but now he wants to swing. You should also swing with him. but you still want to crawl, you still want to do moo 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 moo, and it doesn't work. The most important thing is when they see you, they should say, wow, I want to be like this. You must become that kind of person. You must make them fall in love with you. If somebody wants to fall in love with you, what do? You shine a little bit. You become so nice to them. You do things like a star. Same way, make them fall in love with you. Thank you.